you ready to go bye-bye, Abby? And see people that are your friends and your fans? And to maybe see if you can help other little doggies out there. Well, we're in Missouri. We'll probably be stopping right here soon, pretty close for the night. We're on our way to Quartzsite. Hard Rock Casino and Resort. Wow, that place is huge. Another one of our places were discovered on our way to Quartzsite, Arizona, here in Oklahoma. On day 3 of our trip and journey to Quartzsite, Arizona, we stopped off here at Oklahoma City for the night at Cracker Barrel, and I do recommend Cracker Barrels for any RVers staying overnight and just need a place to stop and get some rest. And all Cracker Barrel asks is if you come in and buy a meal or buy something in their shop. That's all they ask. It's all safe. We've had very good luck in Missouri and Oklahoma City now. But we're going to stop up here at Tractor Supply and get an extra fuel tank for the truck so we can fill it up. We don't have to do so many fuel stops because this truck only came with an 18-gallon tank. Abby got some rest last night, and we're going to go in here and Tractor Supply in a little bit, get an extra fuel tank to put in the truck, which we've been aiming to do. We didn't get it done. And maybe find Miss Abby some treats. So, I'll see you back out on the road. Everyone stay safe. Well, we had to come off the road. We didn't make no time today after we got our fuel and everything. The winds were going up to about 50 miles per hour, and yeah, it just was not safe. So we're stopping off here in Weatherford, Oklahoma, at the RV Wanderlust Crossings campground. It says adventure starts here. So stay tuned. check this place out. Are you ready to hit the road again, Miss Abby? Huh? And leave Texas? Are you ready to leave Texas and maybe see New Mexico today? On our way to Quartzsite, Arizona, aren't we? Huh? Abby.